now we're going to hike the Macintosh Brook Trail, which is a short little trail, only about a mile long, 30 to 45 minutes in time, through a hardwood valley with different forests, and at the end is a waterfall. So here we go on the Macintosh Brook Trail. It's going to take us to a beautiful little waterfall.
There's some small mammals, it says.
Chipmunks.
Small mammals and waterfall and...
Coyote habitat, though.
Come on, boys.
Oh, maybe I should have brought my stick with the bell on it.
No.
Trail. I think I can hear maybe a waterfall. There's some little rivulets here. There's a couple bridges. Oh, and we're not quite there yet. Gonna cross these little bridges and walk up here a ways. And we have come to the end of the trail, and we can see a beautiful waterfall.